Okay, let's see how we can make a template in Vids and then add it to Classroom. So of course, let's head up to our waffle to open Vids. When we open Vids, we'll see our start template. We can close that, or we can go down to our record, and we can upload. But we're going to close for this one, just so we have a blank timeline now. We're going to insert the text as our introduction. Everyone insert our next scene. So this can be done with Control and M. So we can go to our insert menu and see what we can insert. For this one, let's choose a video placeholder. We'll choose the size and the layout of it. Then, when we give this to our students to use, they can simply click into those buttons and record their own video. Then beside that, we'll just place an image. Now these images will be placeholders, and so our students can change those if they want to use a different image. And as this is a template, that's the idea. Let's insert a new scene. Remember, we could just go Control M. Let's add a title placeholder and also some body text. This looks very similar to the layout of Google Slides. Let's change that background color. Let's drop in an image placeholder. Then our next scene. Let's change our background color for this one. For this one, we'll add some more text. A couple of placeholders. Let's drop a GIF in there as well. One more scene. For this one, we want to add something for our last scene. Let's choose a video that says thanks for watching. See, there are some format buttons underneath that video, so we can change the video as well. Let's put our text box underneath. Give our video template a name. Change our transitions. Let's just do a random collection. And let's have a look at what this looks like. Now I noticed that video placeholder didn't show up too well. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to change the border around that placeholder. See how that looks. Yep, I'm happy with that. I've given it a name. Now we're going to head over and share that. We can either copy the link if we want to, but we should go to the share, change the access for anyone at my school. I'm going to make them an editor. I'm going to copy that link. Now I'm going to head over to my Google Classroom and I'm going to add that to my classroom in an assignment. Up to my classwork, create an assignment. I'm going to drop a link straight in there, the link that I copied. I'm going to make a copy for each student, give some basic instructions. I'm going to choose some of my students to get this assignment. And I'm ready to assign. So that's the way we create a template. And then stage 2 is assigning that template to Google Classroom. Here it is sitting at the top, ready for my students to access.